Top 10 Auto Repair in Manhattan. 1. Raz Auto Inc., 543 Reviews, West 47th Street. 2. Auto Service, 51 Reviews, 5th Avenue. 3. Manhattan Auto Service and Bodywork, 4.865 Reviews, 1st Avenue. 4. Manhattan Alignment and Diagnostic Center, 4.7, 169 Reviews, West 131st Street. 5. AutoCraft NYC, 4.7, 126 Reviews, West 46th Street. 6. Marty's Auto Body, 4.6, 255 Reviews, West 25th Street. 7. Manhattan Auto Repair Incorporated, 4.6, 249 Reviews, West 48th Street. 8. Auto Care East, 4.6, 208 Reviews, East 94th Street. 9. Hybrid Auto Tech Inc., 4.5, 275 Reviews, West 47th Street. 10. West Village Auto Repair, 4.4, 171 Reviews, Greenwich Street.